Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering WAEC 2020 Biology Objective Past Question 21. The part labeled 2 is the A. Unfused stigma, B. Fused style, C. Fused ovaries, D. Unfused anther. Now, from the diagram here, what we have is an illustration of a part of a flower. So we have a part of a flower here and we have two parts, one labeled 1 and the other labeled 2. So this part labeled 1, the part labeled 1 is the style, and the part labeled 2 is the ovaries, or the fused ovaries in general. Now the style, which is labeled 1, connects this part, which is known as the stigma, to this part, which is labeled 2, the ovaries. So what happens is that during the process of pollination, the male gamete, which in this case is the pollen grains, are received here at the stigma, and then they pass through the style to the ovaries, the fused ovary, where fertilization takes place. So as we have established, the part labeled 2 is the fused ovaries. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.